Let's go live and speak to one of the proponents of the anti-gay bill. He's no other than the Honorable Samuel George, who also doubles as a member of parliament for Ningo Pram Pram constituency. Thank you very much, Sam. It's always a pleasure speaking to you. Professor Audrey Gajekpo just adds to the number of people who have suggested that this bill in its present state and form is draconian. Don't you think it's about time you step back a bit, put your leg off the, pad and just begin to reconsider this a bit further?
Well, the ship has sailed, and there is nothing new that Professor Audrey Gajekpo or any of the respected learned persons who are advocating for LGBTQ rights. There's nothing new that they are saying. They were giving an opportunity to present their opinion before the Committee of Parliament. They came and made presentations. They were given the opportunity to come in person. Everything they are saying now, they have said already. Parliament has considered their submissions, and we have factored that into the final bill that we have. I mean, it's surprising to me that they are now calling on the president. There is a story in Africa News 360 dated February 22nd, 2024. So that's barely about 5 days ago. That says that they have the support of the president to fight our bill. And this is attributed to a fellow with CDD Ghana, Professor Tichiwa Menu. She disclosed that the president has given blessing to their advocacy against the approval of the pending private members bill in parliament, and that the president has actually supported them to go to court and asked them to go to court against this. This is attributed to Professor Tichiwa Menu. So I'm surprised that if that is to be believed, I'm surprised that they are now calling on the president. Clearly, one of their colleagues have stated clearly the president's position on this and that he supports what they are doing. But, well, the president is not the ultimate. The Ghanaian people are the ultimate, and the Ghanaian people have the final say. Even the president only holds power in trust for the Ghanaian people. He can't decide for the Ghanaian people what we want to do or what is right.
Intelligence that you're picking with regards to this bill, are you ready for a protracted, are you ready for this to be protracted in any way?
Well, I don't see what's going to be protracted about this. They will go to court. They've indicated that the president has asked them to go to court. They've served notice that they will go to court. They can go to court. I believe that the judges themselves are minded about the mood of the country. The judges themselves are minded about Parliament's power in passing legislation. And I believe that the judges themselves, being custodians of not just our law, but even our culture and tradition, because customary law forms the basis for some of the rulings of the court, would pay obeisance and cognizance of what is right by the Ghanaian people and would dispense justice in a fair and equitable manner, in a speedy manner. The judges will not give, I want to believe that the judges will not give themselves to the frivolity of a case and allow for it to run unnecessarily and unfettered. I don't think that the judiciary will want to find itself on a head-on collision with the legislature. And so, yes, it's within their rights to go to court. The court will hear their case. If we think that it is necessary for us to join the case as amicus curiae, we will, and state our case forcefully before the court. And I believe that ultimately the will of the Ghanaian people will be upheld by the courts of Ghana.
Thanks very much, Samuel George, for your time here on News 360.